Spaceland's toys are so much more fun with the lights on. This feels like the small hand cameras we use when we shoot on location. Only deadlier.
Hey, Space Cadet! Here's Captain Fair! What do you want to tell me is just for you?
I prefer slower motion. Careful in this next area. It's a hot set. Enjoying the thrills and chills of Spaceland?
Well, if it isn't the one, the only Willard Dwyer, master of the macabre. I'd say long time no see, but what's time?
Right you are, but perhaps the winds are shifting tonight.
Is that right? Well, I know just the song to play for the occasion.
Somehow I knew you would.
It's the end of the world as we know it. And I feel fine, baby.
We're breaking into the next act! I hope the sound department appreciates this. This is breaking continuity. Careful in this next area. It's a hot set. Talk about a jump cut!
No idea what you think you're going to do with that, but clearly you like wasting my time and yours. Back to work, and let's see if we can
Fill the proper death scene for the lot of you. This is breaking continuity.
Like a fire sale party!
Your fate and your fortune lies within the fire.
Ammo is low. Your cue to find more ammo. Ah! You call that acting? I could have sworn we shot this scene once before too.
Out there fighting for your right to party! A special shout out to your Spaceland space. Those Spaceland ticket prize booths have been restocked with a whole host of awesome goodies that'll help you keep the loop. Swing by and cash in those tickets for some more wicked good fun.
See? Give the director what he wants and everyone's happy. You got stunt double. Who's gonna be the stunt double? I'm sure the prop department won't mind if I use it.
I see you've met our lovely spaceland mascot, Groot. He enjoys strolls through the park and ripping arms from torsos. I hope your first date is a good one. That was rather boring. Now, you had died in that scene. Something to work with.
Hey kids, don't forget to cash in your Spaceland Park tickets at any one of our ticket booths around the park. Need a break from the group? You can always fly by the Astrocade to earn even more tickets. The prizes are out of this world!
Step forward.
Finally! Something!
shout out your spaceland space cadets. Those spaceland ticket prize booths have been restocked with a whole bunch of awesome things. That'll help you keep the look. Move on and cash in those tickets.
Love you on screen. Not so much.
The QQ card.
I'm sure the prop department won't mind if I use this.
Got a souvenir token? Exchange it at any souvenir station. It's a matter. Who knows? You won't get lucky. You're stirring up quite the buzz. I mean, you're all crazy. You're off the charts. You're all nuts. With a little bit of luck and a whole lot of skill, you might just make it over the rainbow.
I love you on screen. Person, not so much. Ow! You're taking this role a bit too seriously.
Ready for a
Surprise!
You do realize there is nothing you can do to survive. Good little actor and die on you already.
Hot! Perfect! Let's protect that! No! You weren't supposed to kill the brute!
We'll have wardrobe prep another, so we can get it right next time.
Hands off or I'll recast you permanently! Yes, please, and thank you!
tonight. We're all rooting for you from the top of Mars Inc. down to escape velocity. Stay cool and keep your eyes
Why, hello there. I'm sure no one will mind if I hold on.
guard up now. The commotion you're causing is just what spaceland needs. You'll be home before you know it. If you can
That's one green person. Not so much!
That was rather boring. Now, if you had died in that scene, we would have had something to work with.
Fate is in your hands.
Finally! Something worthy of my future!